Are you happy? What is the secret to happiness? Are rich people happier than you? How much stuff do you need to be happy? Is happiness based on something higher? Hi, what's up guys? It's Jyoti here. Welcome to Infallible Wisdom, where we help answer all those burning questions to all of life's mysteries. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness is one of the most famous phrases in the United States Declaration of Independence and is considered by some to be the most inspiring words ever spoken. All of us are searching for happiness. We perform our activities with the hope to increase happiness and stop suffering. Have you ever tried to stop an ant when it's heading towards some food? The ant goes through your fingers and works its way around obstacles to some or other find its food. The various species of animals, plants, birds, beasts, and humans try to find happiness in their own way. But despite all efforts to find happiness, they find so many anxieties instead. Everyone is always looking for some relief. That's why we take so many holidays. Even polar bears, mice, and bees go into hibernation in winter. Of course, they are forced by nature, but humans have the choice to go on holiday. Sometimes we do find happiness, but it is very short-lived. For example, when you eat food, you feel very happy. But after a few hours, you feel hungry again. Can anyone conclusively say that they have found permanent happiness? Sometimes the happiness that we find comes with its own set of miseries. For example, if we eat too much, it can lead to illness, sickness. At other times, the happiness that we experience is relative to our surroundings and simply is a negation of miseries rather than real happiness, which can give complete satisfaction. Happiness is simply the time spent between two miserable situations. If you look carefully, there are similar ways animals and humans search for happiness. The National Geographic Channel is full of shows about animals, how the different species of animals go about finding their food and how they eat it. We see how animals make nice arrangements for sleeping, how they build burrows and nests without civil engineering degrees, and how they defend themselves from other creatures. By nature's arrangement, every animal has been provided with some kind of defense system. A tortoise, who is very slow, has the shell to withdraw into. An animal with a fragile body has been provided with speed to escape. We see how animals procreate and produce offspring. Everything that we see in animals seems to revolve around the basic principles of eating, sleeping, mating, and defending. An animal may eat raw food, and man may cook food, but the principle of eating is the same. An animal may sleep on the floor, and a man may sleep on a soft mattress, but the principle of sleeping is exactly the same. An animal may procreate in the open, and a man may have elaborate arrangements for finding a partner to procreate, but the principle of mating is the same. An animal may defend with sharp claws and teeth, and man may defend with atomic bombs and missiles. But the principle of defending is the same. However, humans do not find real satisfaction simply by pursuing happiness in eating, sleeping, mating, and defending. In spite of all the technological and scientific advancement, despite money, comfort, and luxuries, people are full of anxiety. We have reached the summit of material civilization. We have cell phones, computers, highways, modern cars, internet, air travel, and any gadget for everything. But people are still dissatisfied. The divorce rate, suicide rate, crime rate are all increasing all over the world. That doesn't seem like happiness to me. History is filled with examples of rich people who have everything that anyone can dream of, and yet they commit suicide or they take a drug overdose. Why is man unhappy even after possessing everything necessary for a comfortable life? Could it be that happiness lies beyond the four common activities. Human beings differ from animals in the power of discrimination. One may say, well, animals have some discrimination. An eagle can see the prey from miles away. A dog can smell and detect thieves. So even though animals have some sense of discrimination, their discrimination is limited. What is it limited to? It's limited to eating, sleeping, mating, and defending. They are not interested in anything more than this. The human body, on the other hand, has the capacity to go beyond the four principles of eating, sleeping, mating, and defending. We have the ability to inquire into the cause of our suffering and the ultimate destination of life. At some point in everyone's life, every human being, whether an atheist or religious person, has thought, I don't want miseries and unhappiness. Why has it been forced on me? I want happiness. I want peace of mind. I want joy. Why can't I have it? What is the purpose to life? Why is my life riddled with anxiety and problems? As the first aphorism of the ancient codex, the Vedanta-sutra, proclaims, athato, brahma, jijnasa. Now, therefore, inquire into the absolute truth. So this means that happiness lies beyond the four animalistic instincts. Therefore, we should inquire into the absolute truth and find out how to become truly happy, and not simply continue living like animals, but develop a higher consciousness. So thank you for watching. Please leave a comment if this video inspired you at all. If you found this video helpful or interesting, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and please subscribe. Take care. See you in the next video.